Hello guys, today we'll be starting with the next topic in our index number. In the previous session we completed the first part in our index number, problems on first part in our index number. Under unweighted index number we completed first part. Today we'll be moving to second thing, that is simple average of price relatives method. Simple average of price relatives method. What is formula to calculate price index under this? P01 is equal to summation P1 divided by P0 into 100 divided by N. So, explanation for formula is, as in the previous problem, P01 is equal to price index number, P1 is price of current year, P0 is price of base year, and N is equal to number of items recorded in the question. Now, where is this relatives present in the formula? The thing what we calculate here, P1 divided by P0 into 100. This part in the formula is called as price relatives. What is price relatives? P1 divided by P0 into 100 is called as price relatives. Taking average of this price relatives is the second method. How do you take average? You take total of this and divide it by number of observations. So, the second method of problems under unweighted index numbers is simple average of price relatives method. What is formula for that? Summation P1 divided by P0 into 100 in a whole divided by N. N is total number of items. So we shall be moving to the first problem in this second type. So first problem. What is question? Calculate price index number by using simple average of price relatives method for the following data. What is the data given to you? Commodity, price in 2010 and price in 2011. Commodity, you have food, rent, cloth, fuel and miscellaneous. Price in 2010 and price in 2011. I have told you in the previous problem already that the year with smaller digit should be taken as the previous year, and year with smaller digit should be taken as base period, and year with higher digit should be taken as current period. So here in the question given, 2010 will become base period and 2011 will become current period. Base period in the sense P0 and current period in the sense P1. So we shall be moving to solution for this problem now. Solution for first problem. Calculation of price index number using average of price relatives method. So how many columns you require? You require 4 columns. 1 column for commodity, 1 column for P0 that is prices in 2010 and 1 column for P1 that is prices in 2011. And last column that is P1 divided by P0 into 100. Now put the data in these 3 columns and I will be telling you how to calculate the last column. Yes, now calculation part of last column, P1 divided by P0. What is P1 here? 174. So 174 divided by P0, 150. 174 divided by 150 into 100. I'll show you how to calculate it using calculator. So what is for the first commodity? Food. P1 divided by P0 into, that is P0 into 100. P1 is how much? 174. So 174 divided by P0 is how much? 150. 150 into 100. Into 100. How much you'll get? 116. So put the value there. Second thing, second part. P1 divided by P0, 60 divided by 50 into 100. So 60 divided by 50 into 100. How much you are getting? 120. So put the value there, 120. The same way you have to repeat it for all the 5 items given in the question. Repeat it for all the 5 items given in the question and take total of this last 4th column. How much do you get total? 636. Now apply the formula. What is formula? P01 is equal to summation P1 divided by P0 into 100 whole divided by N. What is total of this 4th column? 636. So substitute 636 whole divided by 5. Why 5? Because you have 5 number of commodities given. So divided by 5. How much do you get? 127.2%. I have told you already. Index numbers are always expressed in terms of percentages. So what is conclusion for this question? The prices have increased by 27.2%. How do you get this? 127.2 minus 100 from 2010 to 2011. Increase in the prices is at the rate of 27.2%. So this is the way how you calculate the second method in unweighted price index numbers.